How to restore the small desk.
A lot of you asked to restore the small desk, so here you go. It was definitely not in good condition, so we started to sand right away. For the top and the sides, I scuffed sanded since it was going to be painted, and the legs we did hit with a 6 grit since that is going to be stained.
We just got everything sanded, but before we start painting and staining, we are gonna have to add some wood glue. As you can see, it's pretty wobbly, so we gotta make it a bit more stable. So now that the wood glue has finally dried and cured, we're gonna tape the legs off so then we could start painting the top and sides.
To give it a modern look, we're going with a satin white for the top and side. And for the legs, we're going with my favorite finish. Can you guess? That's right, it's espresso. We hit the handle with some spray paint that resembles that espresso look. And here's the before where the desk looked pretty rough and I was dreading actually restoring it. But after some sanding, some new stain, and some new paint, it's ready for a new home.